We know that as a rule of thumb, we should use SQL solution for the primary database, and in 99% of the cases we will be right without overloading our brains. But what about the 1%? I would say, if you don't know that you must use NoSQL, hire a good architect. And do not turn your business into a playground for inexperienced developers. The end. Okay, you're still here. So anyway, let's try to explain a possible mind flow. Do you clearly understand business models and sure in their stability? Is your data model relational? Do you need consistency? Do you know what the normalization is? Do you understand the trade-offs? If you look precisely, you'll notice that there is no functional requirements that force you to move from SQL to some NoSQL. Only thing that may do so, non-functional requirements, NFR. As an example, unstructured data. I place it as 0.0 cause you can achieve the same with SQLDB if needed. We do not think about unstructured data as primary structures, so it will be either a part of structured data, as an example some metadata, JSONB or a text field in SQL, or some type of logs. Once again, not primary structures. And it should be an additional database. Performance, in some cases, can be better. Scalability, in some cases, can be better. Cost, in some cases, can be better. That some cases can be better is a really risky statement and requires understanding of all the trade-offs, good business analysis, system design, and planning of the system lifecycle. Do you really have to deal with billions requests per second? Or do you think that with NoSQL you will save a lot of money? If you don't have enough experience, don't mess around with it. In reality, you'll end up in a much worse situation, comparing with SQL solution. Okay, but what to do if you can't achieve business goals with SQL? First, maybe just change business goals. Or learn fast, really fast. Or pay to someone who can solve it. As Albert Einstein said, keep it simple, stupid.